Welcome to our channel Classfly Community. So today we will have an overview of the module 1 because we will be starting with the module 1, that is the semiconductor diodes and the application, right? So our first topic is PN junction diode. So in this module we have divided the lectures in 3 parts for the PN junction diodes. The first lecture is the introduction of the PN junction. The lecture 2 is the forward bias and the reverse bias condition of the PN junction, and the lecture 3 is the characteristics of VI of the PN junction diode. The second topic in the module is the equivalent circuit of diode. Here also we have divided into 3 parts. That is, in the first part it will have the diode approximation, which is the part 1. In the lecture 5 you will have the part 2 of the diode approximation, and in the lecture 6 you will know about the DC load analysis. The next topic in your module is the half wave rectifier. Half wave rectifier has also been divided in 3 parts. In the lecture 7 you will get the half wave rectifier part 1. In the lecture 8 you will get the half wave rectifier part 2, and in the lecture 9 you will get the half wave rectifier part 3. So now let's move on to our next topic, which is the next topic is the full wave rectifier. So full wave rectifier is also divided into 3 parts. So lecture 10 will depict you about the full wave rectifier part 1. Lecture 11 will depict you about the full wave rectifier part 2, and lecture 12 will depict about the full wave rectifier part 3. And the next lecture is about the bridge rectifier, which consists of 2 parts. That is, lecture 13 have the what is basically bridge rectifier and how it works, and lecture 14 is about the capacitor filter circuit, which will state how these rectifiers are helped with this capacitor filter circuit. Next you have the topic Zener diode. So Zener diode here is divided in 2 parts. In the lecture 15 you will get the introduction about the Zener diode, and in the lecture 16 you will know about the Zener diode as a voltage regulator. And in topic optical device you will get in 2 parts here also. Lecture 17 will tell you about the photodiode and the LED, that one will convert light energy to electrical and the other will convert the electrical energy to light energy. And the photocoupler will state you about this combination of this photodiode and the LED. The last topic is about the voltage regulator. It is also divided in 2 parts. It is not divided in 2 parts. It's a 1 lecture only, which is divided in 2 parts. That is, one part is a 78XX series voltage regulator, and the other will be the part of the 78XX series, which is known as 7805 fixed IC voltage regulator. And last but not the least, the last topic will be the revision of the whole module in short and brief, which will tell you, and it is the lecture 20, which is the revision of the full module 1 in a brief way to make you have a remembrance. And I hope you all understand how your semiconductor diode application will look. That is the overview of module 1 look. I hope you all to see in the lectures which will be uploaded. Till then, be happy and have a great day. Bye.
Now it's a code time. Nothing can dim the light that shines from within. I hope all of you understood the overview of the module 1, and see you all. Thank you for watching.
Wow, that's impressive! You have completed a magic today. For more videos, subscribe. Join our Facebook group and Instagram page for group discussion and live magazine videos for exam preparation in an hour. We start at Classfly Community for students to learn from a friend in a simple way and support them in their own languages. If you are willing to be that one friend who saves us at the exam night preparation, then please join us by visiting classfly.in.